My name is Colton Evans. I'm a marketing analyst at Blue Arc Energy. So my major at Morrisville was a web development and management major. Being a student athlete was huge. I think that I had to give a lot of credit to that for the success I had in academics because the coaches really care about, our GPAs and our grades, and the student aspect came first. And if you didn't have discipline right away, you had to get it or you weren't going to make it. The professors really care, so you get a really good education. And it's really applied learning. So it's not just lecture, whether it was development of the back end or the actual design of the user interface. Having to do all that hands-on really helped. To finish my degree requirements, I had to get an internship. I got it with Blue Arc Energy, where I am today as a webmaster assistant. By the end of my internship, I ended up transitioning into a marketing analytics role. So as a marketing analyst, I review web and marketing metrics and see what's working, what's not working. And where Morrisville really helped with that was the electives that I took throughout my degree. So my last day as an intern, the next day I was a full-time employee at Blue Arc.